Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second time I record this video. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we received our design team package yesterday from ALINACUTLE. So I'm here showing you some goodies that I made. Okay, so let me show you this card. It says happy birthday. It's a simple card. I used the doily. I cut it in half and put it at the ends. And this is a one-piece die. It comes out like this. But you can cut it up and use it a different way, and I'll show you that in a second. And then the flowers, I just added a flower out of my stash on the top. The inside is pretty plain. I just added this little trim that it's also from her shop. And that is it for that one. These little goodie boxes are my favorite little boxes, and I think it goes perfect with this theme that I'm going to show you. And it opens on the side, either side, so you could put goodies, and it is so easy to put together. Actually, I have a giveaway in the video previous to this one, so go check it out. I actually show how to put the box together, which is super easy. So this one here, and then I did this one with the little pom-pom trim, added the word love. This one I just added flowers. So this is super cute, but let me show you this card. This card is one of my favorite cards. And I added this piece, almost like the crown. And I don't know if this is meant for maybe like a back topper or something, but I used it for that, the back of the card. And this is where I use the happy birthday. I cut it twice and did the bow in a different color. I layered these nesting dies, which I love. The flowers for my stash. And then in the inside, this is where I put the little girl. I put this piece in the back so you can write your sentiment. This die cuts out the little hearts, so I put those on the side there. And this little girl is so cute. Super cute and easy to cut. So that's what that one looks like. In the back, I just put handmade with love. And then I also made this one, also using the little girl and that little topper there. And I did just a little banner. This is where I cut the happy birthday. So I cut the word and just put it at an angle. The little girl, I used the little bow from like a Dollar Trees for your nails. And that's the back. And I added that trim again, that border. And I just think this card, and it stands. The good thing about this card is that when you mail it, it also folds flat. So it folds this way. So obviously you need an envelope big enough so you could add your little crown to it. But then once the person gets it, they kind of like poof it up and it stands on their desk. And I just thought it was such a cute like theme to do the whole princess theme. It kind of goes so good together. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make this card. And it's super easy. But before I do that, I want to show you some of the dies that I used. So I used the happy birthday with the bow. This is the little girl. So she also comes with little flowers. And it also comes with the ballerina shoes. I just didn't add that. I added this one for, where is it? Oh, this die is for the back of the flower. See? Then these are the nesting dies. I used the square one. I used the large, the medium, and the small one for this card. These are the little branches that I use for the side of the card, like your little leaves. This is the die I was telling you that I'm not sure what it's meant for, but I've been adding it to the top of my cards, and I think it looks super cute that way. And I think that's it. But this is another one I'm going to use. This butterfly with all those flourish is gorgeous. But once I make more projects with the other dies, I will come back and do another video. So now let me show you how to make this card, which is so easy. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of paper that measures 6 6 by 12. So with one sheet of a 12 by 12, you can make 2 cards. Okay. And I already scored it just to save time. But your first score is going to be, you know what, let me write it down so you guys can see. So the first score is going to be 1/4. The other one is going to be 1 1/4, 2 1/4, and 3 1/4. Okay. So you're going to score it at 1/4, 1 1/4, 2 1/4, 3 1/4. Okay, then you're going to flip your paper around and you're going to do the same scoring on the other side. So both sides going to have the same score. Okay, so that's your score marks. When you're done, flip the paper, do the same thing on this side. Okay, now we're going to fold all your score marks. Fold everything because we're going to make the little panels. And I get all my inspirations from Pinterest. And once you go on Pinterest, sometimes it tells you like the links of like videos to go to. And I've been following a YouTube channel called Mix Up Craft. And they have a lot of good tutorials. Okay, so once you got everything folded, you're going to take this strip right here. Okay, and you're going to add your tape. I'm just going to use a tape runner just to make this a little faster. Okay, so you do that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna like make the box, but you fold. You see this score right here, this mark? Fold it down, and then that quarter fold it in, and just push it down. Okay, because then once you're done, you play with it and you make it your box. You see? So we're going to do the same thing here. Just tape or glue the skinny strip because that's what we're going to put down. I really hope I'm in frame. I need a new camera. Not a camera thing, or like a holder for my phone. Okay, so we're adding the glue or the tape on the skinny fold. Okay? You're going to fold your paper. This score, not the first one, the second one. Fold it down, and obviously I'm trying to do it in the air so you guys can see. Take this piece and fold it inside. So hopefully I'm in frame. So you take that skinny piece. That's why it's easier, obviously, if you do it on the table. And just fold it in. Fold it in. And once that skinny strip is on your paper, you play with your little box. And that is it, guys. It is so easy. All you need is to put that skinny strip on your base paper. Once you have that, then this is totally up to you if you want to put the mat right at the edge, or if you want to do a little border. Then the strips on the front, that's also up to you. This piece right here. So there, I don't have measurements. That I was just playing with it. But let me see, like this little strip right here. Oops. You see, it's like 1/4 inch. So you can make that as thick or skinny as you want. And that is it. So basically, as long as you have your base, you could decorate it however you want. Okay? Even if you don't want to put anything here. If you want to leave it blank and just put your sentiment or whatever, you can. The whole thing was the 2 little ends. But anyway, guys, that is it. I hope it makes sense. It's super, super easy. And like I said, you could do 2 cards with one 12 by 12 piece of paper. So I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to watch my previous video so you could join into that giveaway and get this cute little box. All right, bye.